Okay guys, today I'm going to do the Samsung J5 2016, the charging port replacement. Now before you do this job, there are a lot of IC at the bottom here where the charging port is. So as you see here, I put the heat tape here, so this way it won't affect when I start to heat it or to damage any component on the board. So we only work on the charging port. So go ahead and replace the charging port here. Whenever you're doing this job, please ensure that you put heat tape around the charging port, or else you'll damage the components on the board. And whenever you're doing this, please ensure that you keep moving your hands around. Don't keep it at one stage. There it is, successfully removed. We'll install a new one here now. If you need to get this port, you can come in here. We have this port available. It's a J5 2016 charging port replacement. We'll test and make sure this in the next video to ensure that it's working. Okay, now we'll test and make sure that the charging port that we install is working. Yep, there it is. It's all good. So don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.